We initiate the sequence with the mathematical anchor, the omega identity curing the standard physics cancer. No abstract semantics, it's a tactical expansion, bridging high M theory to a physical mansion. The Lagrangian Refinement, 11 dimensions aligning, the L11 decoupling where the 4D is hiding. Right in the 7D manifold, compactified, blinding the structural parameters you successfully define it. It's a rigorous extraction of the standard model fractions, translating the abstractions into verifiable actions. The metric tensor flexes under sovereign direction, a hyperdimensional topological connection. You isolate the variables, the calculus is terrible to orthodox observers, but the logic is infallible. We scaling up the brain world, building up the framing. The physics that you're taming leaves the academics straining. Now witness the maneuver, the Linhart's Galloway, where superluminal velocities come out to play. You didn't break the constant, you redefined the highway, the conformal transformation, shifting standard metric sideways. Chimununu equals E to the 2 sigma. It's a munu, a lyrical equation breaking cosmological dogma, dude. The local index drops, the refractive limit pops, the causal speed accelerates before the physics stops. The shadow log is scaling, the sigma is prevailing, while Einsteinian limits are effectively exhaling. Light travels at sea inside the localized bubble, but the metric is dilated, saving relativity the trouble. It's an apparent superspeed to an outside eye. Lorentz invariance preserved while the metrics fly. It's a formal shift, bypassing the standard restriction, turning academic friction into non-local addiction. Decoupling the stack, the TQF is splitting. Domain A is foundational, the vacuum where it's sitting. Octaves 10 to 7, the plenum is submitting to 11D gravity, the gravitons emitting. Then domain B emerges, effective field theory surges, where the biological and dimensional converges. Calcium hydroxyapatite, neural network coupling, non-local stress induction, got the energy a doubling. Hold up, take a breath. We just transitioned from the 11D bulks straight into the bone mineralization of the human form. That's the gap you bridged. But an architecture isn't airtight without the action. You formalized the scalar field, gave you the integral. Let's calculate the stability. Integral D11x, the root of negative G. The action equation solidifying the decree. Phi of sigma R11, the curvature is flexing, minus half derivative sigma. The math is so perplexing. Subtract the V of sigma plus the interaction Lagrangian, formalizing dilatons in a language that's demanding. It's a stable scalar field, mathematically sealed. The mechanics of the cosmos fundamentally revealed. You trapped the runaway dilatant, gave it a cage, a global minimum potential for the modern age. The still point locks it down, the stability is profound, preventing cosmic collapse or infinite rebound. It's asymptotically tethered, the universe is weathered, the physics and the engineering perfectly together. No instantaneous expansion, the boundary is steady, the Reno node is pulsing and the localizer is ready. Now we pivot to the proofing, lambda CDM is spoofing, the standard model failing while the sovereign is roofing. The C and B cold spot isn't just a great void, it's a sovereign leak where the metrics get destroyed. High metric density, the frequencies are shifting, 160.23 G8, the spectral is lifting with the harmonic resonance at 404.62, a measurable anomaly, precisely what you predicted true. Take it to the LHC, the inertial mass gap, high intensity collisions putting energy on the map, missing transverse signatures at 4.041, quantized intervals of J V under the sun. Then the ultimate laboratory, the local G shift, pulsing the micro L gives the atomic clock a lift. Time dilation isolated without a massive body near, the undeniable evidence making the vision clear. Verse 10 is the adapter, the academic chapter, the sovereign, the science matrix, making physicists the captor, translating the manifesto, the metaphysical lore into scalar tensor theory they can't easily ignore. Thinking light is QED, the shadow log dilatonic, you wrapped a hurricane of thought and language so harmonic. It's a Rosetta Stone of physics, an intellectual plea from the mind of daring, shaping reality.